It's Christina LaBar, and I'm going to sing you a song today. It's called Thunderstorm. I just wrote it, and it's about a person whom I truly care about. This was their past, but he's still in my future, and he's still in my present. But I love him so much. And also, before we get started, I have a question. There's this ice bucket challenge thing that's going around. How do you put the money in for charity? Because apparently the challenge is that you dump a bucket of ice water on your head. And I thought, oh, okay, I'll do it. It's for charity. I'm down. Anyway, so here it goes. This is my song, Thunderstorm. I can hear the wind blowing across the grassy plains. I can see the trees swaying from the feeling of my pain. I can see the lightning striking. I can hear the thunder cracking from the feeling of my pain. 'Cause it would be a thunderstorm if you were to leave me, but I'm holding on from the wings that you left me, and the ground is surely shaking, and my heart is already breaking, 'cause I'm holding on. The ground is shifting, and you're slowly moving, and I'm slowly moving forward, and you're slowly moving backwards, and I'm trying to hold on. The hail is falling, I'm split into two. Baby, what do I do? 'Cause it would be a thunderstorm if you were to leave me, but I'm holding on from the wings that you left me, and the ground is surely shaking, and my heart is already breaking, 'cause I'm holding on, 'cause I'm holding on, 'cause it's like a tornado touched the ground. Everybody is scattered around, but then all is silence and peace. You reach out your hand and hold me close. I am saved, I am saved, 'cause it will be a thunderstorm if you were to leave me, but I'm holding on from the wings that you left me, and the ground is surely shaking, and my heart is already breaking from this thunderstorm, from this thunderstorm, 'cause I'm holding on, I'm holding